Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Albatrosses. Albatrosses are masters of soaring flight, able to glide over vast tracts of ocean without flapping their wings. So fully have they adapted to their oceanic existence that they spend the first 6 or more years of their long lives, which last upwards of 50 years, without ever touching land.
Take our lead.
The growth of the young albatross is very slow, especially in the larger species. It attains flight plumage in 3 to 10 months, then spends the next 5 to 10 years at sea, passing through several pre-adult plumages before coming to land to mate. Albatrosses live long and may be among the few birds to die of old age.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Peregrine. A stooping peregrine is undoubtedly the fastest flying bird, reaching speeds of up 200 miles per hour. However, the stoop is gravity-assisted, more of a controlled fall, and is generally not considered as level flight, where they reach 40 miles per hour. 7 July 2010.
Let's help you make your mark.
Andean condor. A new study sheds light on just how efficiently the world's largest soaring bird rides air currents to stay aloft for hours without flapping its wings. The Andean condor has a wingspan stretching to 10 feet and weighs up to 33 pounds, making it the heaviest soaring bird alive today. 15 July 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Most birds fly below 500 feet except during migration. There is no reason to expend the energy to go higher, and there may be dangers, such as exposure to higher winds or to the sharp vision of hawks.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.